Great. You, did you bring the bread?
Yeah, it's right here.
Okay, let's feed it to the ducks.
Alright, great.
So, do you like animals?
I love animals. I have a big fat cat.
What's the color of your cat?
Well, my cat is black and brown. And then I have another cat, which is orange and black and white with a little pink nose.
Wow.
What about you? Do you have animals?
No, I don't have any. But my mom has a huge Saint Bernard. It's like brown, white, with a little bit of black. And my grandparents have a small farm.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You have some brown hens, a white rooster. Let's see. They have a pink pig. I think a gray or black goat. And some white geese.
Yeah. Do you have any sheep?
No, they don't have.
No.
No. But the neighbors have some cows and some sheep as well.
Oh, I love sheep. Do they have little lambs?
Yes, in spring.
Oh, how cute.
Paige, ¿cuál es tu animal favorito?
La nutria.
¿Y tú? ¿Tienes un animal favorito? Dale me gusta a este vídeo si te ha gustado. Y no olvides suscribirte y déjanos un comentario.